Best kids' tablets for learning and gaming. It's no surprise that kids are always begging to play with parents' tablets or cell phones. Adults are so often on their screens that kids want a piece of the action. That's why tablets for kids exist. With one of them, you don't have to worry about handing kids your precious iPad, only to get it back with dents, scratches, or sticky fingerprints. These kid-friendly tablets are fairly similar to regular adult versions, except they're often more durable, offer parental controls for content and screen time, and come with educational apps for kids. At the Products Review Institute, we appreciate children's tablets because they are designed specifically for smaller hands and frequent drops. As for the available child-friendly content, which is often preloaded, we want to ensure that it's vibrant and varied enough to keep kids entertained and educated. Our lab experts regularly test all kinds of tech and children's products, from baby monitors to convertible car seats, and many of our engineers are parents themselves, so you can trust that our recommendations take into account the reality of everyday life. Our pros appreciate kids' tech that doesn't cost a fortune and isn't going to be outdated in a year. Number 1. Best Lenovo Android Tablet for Kids. Lenovo Tab M10 Plus. A Lenovo tablet is a solid Android choice that is a little less expensive if you're okay with a slight dip in battery life. It's slim for easy travel, though you'll want to buy a case for it. So it's easier for young children to grip. The graphics and sound quality match those of more expensive devices. And the nearly 10-inch screen is a satisfying size for watching shows. A setting called Kids Mode opens with a 4-digit code that you set. It houses kids' content including coloring pages and a section called Monster Class that pulls in kid-safe YouTube videos. Just know that the kid content is nowhere near as rich as Amazon Kids Plus, which comes with the Fire tablets. Eye protection mode allows you to use a sliding button to filter the amount of blue light coming from the tablet. Because it is an Android, you can utilize the Google Play Store to download popular games. It's another solid choice if you plan to share the tablet with your kid to do your own grown-up things such as web searching, cooking from online recipes, and watching movies. Number 2. Best First Tablet for Kids. Fisher-Price Pretend Tablet Learning Toy. This tablet is really a battery-operated toddler toy. So choose it as your child's first opportunity to learn to press buttons as they reach the age where they're always trying to steal your phone. It features original songs and phonics plus vocabulary words and number lessons. There are 28 buttons to push and more than 100 songs, sounds and phrases, so caregivers hopefully won't get tired of hearing the same things over and over again. It levels up through stages 1, 2 and 3 to expand lessons as your toddler gets older, and you can't beat the price. Number 3. Best Hands-Free Learning Tablet for Toddlers. Animal Island AILA Sit and Play. Made for toddlers 12 months to 3 years, you don't need to know how to read to use this small tablet. It's hands-free, ad-free learning. Most content is just for a toddler to watch and learn. They are not expected to swipe, press or choose pictures on the screen. When it's time for screen time, parents set up the AILA to go through a 10-minute learning module. It comes with 60 preloaded stories plus a bunch of songs that focus on letters, numbers, vocabulary and STEAM concepts for the littlest kids. You can also download an app on your phone that uses Bluetooth to connect to the toy and tracks your kid's progress. For just $5 more you get an additional storybook to read to your child to help boost their vocabulary. Number 4. Best Toy Tablet for Kids. Wowie Pinkfong Baby Shark Tablet. This screenless toy tablet, designed for kids 3+, but frequently gifted to younger toddlers, is another internet-free toy made to entice any Baby Shark fan. Just like mom and dad, your toddler can have their very own tablet. Press the number, letter and musical instrument buttons to hear Baby Shark's voice and sounds. Depending on the mode you select, letters, words, or spelling. Your child will learn the alphabet, word and image association, spelling, counting and musical instruments. Play the Where Is game to identify letters, objects and numbers and musical instruments. Find them before the timer runs out. Baby Shark will let you know if you're right or should try again. Listen to different sounds and songs, including the full-length hit Baby Shark song with over 3 billion views. Lots of sounds encourage your child to look, listen, touch, feel and learn. with volume control and a repeat button for recall and reinforcement. This fun tablet offers an interactive way to learn and play. Number 5. Best tablet add-on for kids. Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit. Use Osmo kits to enhance the learning opportunities on an iPad or Fire tablet. Each one comes with brightly colored accessories that work with educational games, giving kids the chance to take part in a hands-on exploration of topics like letters, shapes and creativity. As they age, different kits can go deeper into topics like math, coding, STEM and pretend play. This is a good starter kit for literacy skills. And many more are available, including ones for kids up to age 10. Check here for a list of compatible iPads and Fire tablets. The preschool entry product into the Osmo universe. The Little Genius Starter Kit for iPad includes everything your child needs to experience hands-on learning and digital fun in *4* different ways through 4 games. We know kids learn by doing, so each game uses physical action. Engage preschoolers in core subjects and spark imaginations ABCs. Squiggle Magic, Costume Party and Stories, from pre-reading to problem-solving skills. These games will inspire a new generation of active learners. Osmo games bring a child's creative imagination to life, with handheld pieces that interact with an iPad, and an Osmo-based no Wi-Fi necessary for gameplay. The Little Genius Starter Kit for iPad ships with an Osmo iPad base, approved by parents and teachers worldwide, used in over 40,000 classrooms. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below.